Hello guys, my name is Aluko Shayo Enoch. Welcome to my tutorial class on web authoring. In this video, I'll be working on the Tax 3 Web Page 2016 IGCSE Specimen paper. Before now, I did set up a folder which is my work area, and you can see IGCSE ICT 0417 support file. Okay, and there you have access to the past question and the support files to complete the task on web authoring. And to access this file, you can go to Google and type Aluko Shayo Enoch test resource, and you have some stuff like this. And guys, just navigate down to where you have IGCSE ICT 0417 data analysis and web authoring specimen paper 3. Is free. Just go ahead and download the resources, okay, to complete the task. Now let me open the past question. Okay, task 3 web page. You are going to help develop a web page for Super Scuba. The web page will be a part of website used to sell scuba diving holidays around the world. Create a new folder called p3_html. So the first task for this exercise is to create p3_html. That is a new folder, and this is my work area. Okay, I'm going to create the new folder now. Right click and go to new, then folder. Then I'm going to rename this new folder to p3_html. Okay, so I've completed the first task. So let's go back to the question. Then locate the following file and store them in your p3_html folder. To locate this file, p3 image 1.jpg, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 images, and okay, and 7 8. Okay, then p3 logo, p3 sunset, and then one html file and one css file. Okay, so and this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 images. Then p3 style, so these are style sheets, and this is the html file. So let me just cut, please cut, and I'll post in my in the folder created in tax 1. That was. So if you open this p3_html, I have the 10 files all together. Okay, let's go back to the question now. Okay, we are through that. Question 21. A student has tried to create a style sheet to be used with a web page. The web page and the style sheet must work in any browser. All color code are in hexadecimal. The style sheet should define the following styles. Okay, so the style sheet should define the following tags. Okay, styles. Okay, let's just go down. Okay, open the style sheet p3 style.css in a suitable software package. Okay guys, the task here, we're going to create a web page, and we have to use a suitable software package. Okay guys, there are different packages you can use to design a web page, and you can use your Notepad, Dreamweaver, and so on. But for this section of web authoring, I'll be using Microsoft Office front page. So let me just launch the okay, let me just go to new. Okay, sorry about that. This is wrong. Okay, let me just close this and just relaunch again. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so new page, see the file name, new_page_1.atm. Okay, so let's go back to this is a Microsoft front page, guys. Let's go back to the question. Okay, so to open the style sheet p3 style.css. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So to do that, you go to file, open. Okay, by default this open to document, and this is not the right directory. So because I have my work area on the desktop, so go to desktop now, and let me locate this is IGCSE ICT support file. Yes, I have it inside this folder, and this is the folder. Okay, then I'm to locate p3 style. Okay, this is the result of that task. Okay, so let's just go back to the paper. So the style sheet was not finished and contained a number of errors. Okay, so guys, based on the information we have here is get to know that the style sheet was not finished and contains a number of errors. And the task here, we have to correct and complete this style sheet using the information above. And what is the information? The information is the style sheet. Okay, we have h1 tag, h2 tag, h3, and you can see the style, the color style, okay, and the font. So you see the attribute of the color. We have red and green and blue. Okay, let's just get a better understanding and picture of what you are trying to do. Okay, now all color codes are in hexadecimal. Okay, guys, I want to believe you know what hexadecimal color code is all about. But for the benefits of students that probably have a problem with this, let me just take you through that. Just a quick one. Okay, let me just go ahead and light shot now. Let me just light this side. Okay, guys, generally hexadecimal color code is of the form is of this form. Okay, guys, generally color code hexadecimal color code always starts with hashtag, and it comes in pairs. Okay, and our primary color is red. So since it comes in pairs, so that will be red, RGB, then green. So pair, okay, green, and then blue. Okay, this is a primary color code. I hope you can remember. Okay, and secondly, that's our primary color. And secondly, the color component uses combination of letters and numbers. Okay, and the letter ranges from A to F, letter A to letter F, and the number also ranges from 0 to 9. Okay, now to have hexadecimal color code now, it's just combination of letters and these digits or number 0 to 9. Okay, so for example, if I have red color just start with hashtag. So these are the color components, this A to F and 0 to 9. Okay, and so if red color is on, the red color component is on, so that will be F. Okay, and we off the green component, that is 0. Don't forget this comes in pairs, and off the blue component, and that is 0. Okay, so this hexadecimal color code will give us red. So the result of this hexadecimal color code will be red. Okay, so it will be red. So, and similarly, if I were to off let's just let me just write up here. Let me just manage my screen. Let me just write up here. Okay, this time around now, don't forget that hexadecimal color code start with hashtag. You start your color code with hashtag, and this time around the red color is off, red component is off, and if the green is on, that is FF, and okay, the blue is off, that will be 0. So the result of this hexadecimal color code will be that the only the only component that is on is the green, so then you have green color. So that's just nothing else but green. And similarly for blue just have hashtag 0000 and ff here. Okay, and now why you may ask that why f, what about a, what about other letters or like that. Okay, the logic here is this. As you reduce as you go from f down to a, okay, like when you have f now, okay, you're going to have a light form of a very bright, or let me say just a light color, okay, or bright yellow, red or green or blue, like that. So now if this were to be something like if I were to change this to, maybe I have hashtag, okay, instead of ff now, let's just go for something like cc or bb or aa or any other letter downward, like that. So as you go down here, the color gets darker and darker, and finally if from a to 0, then you switch off, that will be black. So sometimes the examiner may ask you to actually make your color to be can I say dark, maybe a little bit, not that bright, okay, maybe to be dim or darker, then it means that you should use something like that. But come what may, all the information will be provided by the examiner. Just follow the instruction accordingly. Okay, so let's go back to the style sheet and see what the student mistakes are. Okay, and the h1 tag and the student color correct. This is the color, okay, star color style. And instead for the student to input the correct hexadecimal code color, and what the student put here is a form of text, ready green. Okay, ready green. So it's not meant to be ready green. Probably the students let me just go back to the question and see. Okay, so red, okay, red, green and blue. Okay, so the red is on, the red component is on, the green component is on, and the blue component is off. So this is combination of red and green. Okay, so if you google maybe combination of color combination, red plus green should give us something very close to, if I'm right, okay, something very close to yellow. Okay, so maybe h1 tag should be something like yellow. I'm not sure, you can google and confirm that, guys. Okay, let's just go ahead and effect the changes. Okay, so it's not going to be in text, it should be hexadecimal color and nothing else but hexadecimal color. So I'm going to change that to hashtag ff, and even though this is 0, this should be in pair, it should be 00. So let's go ahead and effect that. So I'm going to clean this. Oh, sorry about that. What's going on? Okay, so this should be hashtag. So you start with hashtag. Okay, red is on ff, green is on ff, and blue is off 00. Then the font family. So the font is trebuchet. If not available, then area. Then if not available, then we should use the browser's default, which is sans serif. Okay, so let's go ahead and effect that changes to back to the off front page. So the font family, not just area, because we have 3 different options there. And now guys, anytime you have options like that, see, we always separate the style attribute with comma, trebuchet comma, then area comma, then sans serif. Then you can put your semicolon to separate the different styles. Okay, so to separate color style from font style, you use semicolon, and to separate the attribute, each attribute within a style, you use comma. Okay, so and that's what we're going to do here now. So the font family, so I should start with trebuchet. Okay guys, maybe I believe most browsers probably may not actually have this font family trebuchet. Okay, so if it's not available, then okay, then the browser should use area, and if area not available, then you use the default browser's font, which is sans serif font. Okay, that's that. Okay, let's go back to the question. And the question now, the font size is 24 point I, so that is 24 pt, and the alignment is center, should be centered aligned. Okay, so let's go back to the front page. So the font size is not mega big. Okay, that should be what, 24 pt, 24 point I, and the text align is center. Okay, so guys, just a quick one again. Most packages we have, most application packages actually by default use American Standard English. And if you look at the spellings here, the center here, this is UK English. And so we're going to effect the changes now. So this should be ER, that is to spell center. Okay, this American Standard English. Okay, not UK. So don't forget guys, so center. Okay, so let's just go to the tag H2 tag. So the color is darkish blue. Darkish blue. So let's just look at the correct color code for that. So red off, green off, and blue CC. So that's so 0000 and CC. So that's H2 tag color. So hashtag 0000 and CC. Okay, the font family, so that is area, then 16 point, then right align. Okay, area 16 points, 16 points, 16 pt, and this is right align. Okay, so I don't know why I put left though. Okay, so right align. Okay, next, that's all about it for the H2 tag. Then let's correct effect the changes for H3 tag and the star for color. Okay, so we have 0000 CC and area there. Okay, so this is the same color code, hashtag 0000 and CC, and the font family is area, correct. So let's go to the font size. The font size for H3 is 12 points and it is center aligned. Okay, 12 points and it is centered aligned. So you can delete this medium. So this is 12 points and it is centered aligned. So please the same correction to be effected here, and this spelling is UK um, English standard, so just change it to American. Okay, so US spellings, guys. Why US every time, guy? US, guys. Okay, all about US. Okay, guys, let's just continue with the class. So the color for the list. Okay, so guys, we have look at the tag we have here. We have H1 tag, H2, H3, then we have list and paragraph. So we are now here now list. So color, so practically this is going to be black because the red component is off, green component is off, and the blue component is off. So the first should be black. Okay, and the font is area and it's 12 points. Okay, so let's just go ahead and effect that. So list black. Oh, the student is actually right, black, but it shouldn't be a test guy. So decimal color code. Okay, 000000. And the font family is area, so that's correct. Font size is 12 points, 12 points, and this is okay. Okay, so the problem here is that the student are left. Okay, it's meant to be left. Okay, the alignment is left. Okay, and the list style type is this. Okay, let's confirm that, guys. So correct. Okay, that's okay. So 12 points, left align and disk. Okay, so let's go to the next tag. So the next tag is the paragraph. Okay, and the color is also, oh, everything is off, all the components are off, so that is black. Then area 12 points and it's also left aligned. Okay, so that is paragraph. Something similar to the list, am I sure? Okay, let me just quickly master that. Black 12 points area. Okay, okay, black. Okay, so the hexadecimal color code for black is hashtag 000000. Okay, I might hope I'm correct. Okay, area, then this is 12 points, 12 pt I, and text align is left. Okay, Let me confirm that, guys. That's left is correct. Okay, then finally we have the body tag. So the the style for background. Okay, background color style. So we have 0 CCFF. Okay, so let's come be not brightish blue. Okay, this student is so if you look at this, I think probably the color combination for the background color should be something like blue. It's a brightish blue, so meaning that combination of green and blue. Okay, green is on and blue on, so that should give us something like combination of blue and green. Okay, it's a brightish blue. Okay, let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so hashtag 00 CCFF. Let me just confirm that 00 CCFF. Okay, that's correct. Okay, then let's now see, is there anything to correct now? I think we are cool now, but we need to quickly check. Let's just inspect this style sheet. Okay, guys, anytime the style, you look at this now, the background, the background the background. Okay, this is the tag, the stash, and this is the style. Okay, background color. So and anytime you have a compound word, okay, we don't use what do you call this, underscore. We use dash or hyphen. Then second, if you look at this color, this is still UK standard English, so we need to change it to US. Okay, so just remove the U, and that is color. I think everything is okay now. So I think we are cool. Let's just go back to the question and see what we next to do. That's that. We've effected that. Okay, I think we are through with 21. Okay, next, open the style sheet, P3 style. Okay, okay, we are through with this already. Okay, next, save this style sheet in your P3 underscore HTML folder. Use the file name style followed by your candidate number. For example, if your candidate number is 999, then you will call the file style 999.css. okay, let's go ahead and do that and save. I'm going to follow this. I'll just save it with this guy style. No, I can also, let me just choose my candidate number, guys. Okay, so my candidate number will be 1010, guys. Let's just go with that. So let me save it. File, guys, don't choose save. If you choose save now, it will be the style sheet will be saved as p3 style.css. So go to file and click save as, so that you can, okay, and you can now what is that again, to save it as what? Okay, okay, that's style. Okay, so uppercase style. Okay, my candidate number is 1010. So that's what I'm going to. Don't forget, this is the wrong code by the student, and this is the new code now. So save in the p3 HTML. Okay, so let's save now, and you can see now that that's cool, right? Okay, let's go back to the question paper. Is there anything? Okay, take a screenshot showing the text of your style sheet and place this in your evidence document. Make sure that the file name is clearly visible, guys. Make sure this just file name is clearly visible. So I'm to take a screenshot now, okay, of my CSS code. So just go ahead and do that. Okay, screenshot, just print screen, guys. This is a good powerful tool. This light shots. Okay, so to copy, okay, because it's a screenshot, guys, then go to the work area. Is this my work area? Okay, guys, I think I don't have my evidence page here. Okay, so this is my evidence document. Okay, can you open on time, guys? Okay, yeah, okay, good. So this is so evidence one. So let me just control V. Okay guys, so you can see the screenshot style 101.css, and this is if the style sheet. Okay, everything is cool. Okay, so let's just go back to the question. Okay, so question 22, using a suitable software package, open the file p3 super p3 super.html. So, and okay, let me just do that first. Let me just do that first. Let me just open p3. Okay, so go back to the front page. Okay, so this time around, still go back, file, open. Okay, this is my work area. So, and guys, this is an HTML file. Okay, this is the HTML file. My browser default is default browser is I use Chrome as my default browser, and that's why this display the icon is like Chrome HTML document. So this is P3 Super. Okay, so just open that. Wow. Okay, so and this is the result of that. So this is the web page. Okay, I see everything is not that cool here. It's not that this is not a good web page. So let's see what we have to do with this and see how we can make this more attractive. So the next task is to attach the style sheet save in step 21 to this web page. That's a good one. So we have to attach. Okay, so now what we want to, the next task is how to, we want to learn how to attach style sheet. Okay, so let's just go back to this. Okay, so don't forget, this is the style sheet, and this is the HTML, this is the web page. Incomplete. Okay, so we have to attach this. Now to do that, just click the p3 super HTML and go to format, and then you see style sheet link, then click add. Okay, no match because I look in resource. So let me just go to my navigate to my work area. So let's see, I think this is it. Okay, so this my this is the folder p3 underscore html, and this is the run code. This is the code we work on, and we have this. Now guys, you have to please just take notes, look at how the web page is now please, and before I attach the style sheet, and let's see the effect after you attach your style sheet, and look everything. Okay, please, and just take note of that. So let's just click OK. Okay, then okay, good. So you can see the effect of the style. Okay, the style on it. Okay, so that's a cool one. Okay, so this still let's just go ahead with the question, guys. So next question 23, replace the text candidate name, center number, and candidate number. And guys, don't forget my candidate number is 101. Okay, and my center number generally is has to do with a different country. Like for Nigeria, it's going to be something like NG. Okay, so and let's just go and effect that. So just scroll down. Okay, this is web page last edited by candidate name. So this, I'm going to replace this text candidate name with my name. Okay, that's guys. Okay, Aluko Shayo Enoch, and my center number, that is Nigeria, so that is NG. Let me just NG001. Okay, and the candidate number, my candidate number is 1010 1010. Okay, guys, let's just continue now. That's it. Okay, so the next question, question 24, set the table border to 2 and set the cell padding of the table to 8 pixel. Okay, so let's just go and do that. So the table border, guys, I observed something here. If you look at this, this asterisk, red asterisk, shows that there is a picture here, but for some reason we cannot it's not well, it's not we can't really access it. So let's just inspect it, please. So just click on it, and right click is a picture, and right click, go to picture property. Okay, and general. Okay, so the picture, the pictures here, the picture that's supposed to be here and is sunset. Okay, let me go back to the appearance, guys. And if you look at the size, the width is 360s. Guys, you need to please just put don't forget this 360s. That is the width. Okay, so let's go back to general. Now I'm going to insert the right picture there. For some reason I wouldn't know why it couldn't display. So let's just click browse and navigate to sunset. Okay, this is the correct image. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so that's good. And let's just inspect it again. Picture property. Okay, guys, if you look at this now, the width is 183, and that is not that's not true. It is meant to be 366, so you can effect the changes now. This is 366. Okay, and it's in pixel. Okay, and you maintain the aspect ratio, because you see, okay, the weight determine what the height is. Okay, that is so let's just click OK now. Okay, good. So everything is okay now, so we can continue with the task. So let's continue with the task now. So the next question, so set the table to fill the width of the set the table border, sorry about that, question 24. Set the table border to 2, and then set the cell padding of the table to 8 pixel. Okay, so let me do that now. So to do that, just click anywhere around there. So let me just click here, right click please, and go to table property. Okay, and then look for, this is cell padding, this is cell spacing, this is the border. So you can see the border size. Okay, so let's go back and look at the question now. So the border size is what? So the table border should be 2, and the cell padding is 8. Okay, cell padding, so change this one from 1 to 8, and the size from 0 to 2. Okay, let's go back to the question again. Set the table to fill the width of the window. Question 26, we're asked to set the table to fill the width of the window. Guys, if you look at this, look at the area covered here. It's just like maybe 1/3 of the entire page, and everything here is blank. Okay, so and the examiner asks us to set the table to fill the width of the window. Guys, to set the table to fit the width of the window, we can't work in pixel again, because different PC, okay, the screen resolution for different PC varies. Okay, so for example, I don't need to check that, but to justify this, so that if you open this web page in your own browser with your PC, there wouldn't be any problem eventually. So just click in percentage, and that will affect that. Then click apply. Then so you can see the effects. Everything is okay now. Then just apply. Then okay. Okay, guys, I think our web page is looking a little bit cool. Okay, let's just continue. Next task, please. Have to be fast now because of our time. Replace the text place logo here with the image P3 logo. So let's just go and look for this text place logo here. Let's go and look for that place logo here. So place logo here. Guys, can't see anything like that here. So place logo here, but I know that since this is the titles, the logo should be somewhere around. Guys, that's it. I think the logo should be somewhere somewhere around here. So but we can't see the text because the background color is black. Okay, so and in order to you just need to use our discretion. So just highlight that, then go back to you. See, now we have the design view, the split view, code and preview. So click split view, and you can see place logo here. So to replace this, so to replace that text with let me go back to the question, please, with p3 logo.jpg, p3 logo.jpg. So to do that, guys, just go to, we can actually insert picture here. Okay, but I'm not going to do that, guys. I'm too playful. I need to just Control Z. Okay, so I'm back there. So I'll just clean. Okay, so I'll insert from here. Okay, insert picture from file. Okay, I think that will be very cool. So this is p3 logo. So just click and open, and just click the design view back, and you see the logo there. So that's it. So that's cool. So I think everything is cool now. Let's still continue the question. What's the next task, please? Select the most appropriate image from those located for task 3 web page, and use it to replace this three text. So we have to replace this text, place starfish here with starfish logo. We have to replace place shark here text with shark logo. Then finally we have to replace place turtle here. This is a text with turtle logo. So guys, let's just go back to the front page and effect that. So, and you can see it here now. Place starfish here, just highlight and click split view, and that's it there. So just you can backspace and clean everything there. And what was there? Just a quick one. Let me see. Place, okay, starfish. Okay, starfish. Okay, so I'll just go to insert and then locate starfish. This is starfish here. So click and open. Okay, click outside and go back to your design view. Okay, that's the starfish. And the next text to be replaced is okay, place shark here. So highlight that, click split view, and just delete that text. Guys, hope I'm not mistaken. Control Z. Okay, just delete. Okay, then go to insert. That is what, guys. Why am I I'm just too playful, guys. What do I want to place there? Control Z. Okay, a shark, sorry about that. So I want to place shark there. Okay, so go back there. So shark, guys, this shark here. So open, just click outside and go back to your design view and see the effect. That is shark there. Okay, you can see the shark, starfish, then shark, and finally place turtle here. So just highlight that text and click split, and this turtle, just cut. Control Z. Made a mistake, sorry about that. Just oh, why am I super playful, guys? Okay, so I'm to place turtle there. Turtle, it's turtle, guys. Turtle, this is turtle here, image 1. Okay, just click outside and go back to your design view, and you can see the turtle. Okay, so everything is cool. So but for some reason I think it's not perfect yet. Let's just go ahead with the question. Okay, let's see what's going on there. So task question 29, resize the image placed in step 28 so they are 200 pixel wide. Okay, so we have to resize our images now. Okay, and we have to also maintain their aspect ratio. So don't forget, guys, we resize and make sure that the aspect ratio is maintained, guys. Don't forget that. Okay, and let me go back to the question, guys. 200 pixel. Okay, 200. Okay, guys, to do that, just let's start with the starfish. Just click and right click, go to picture properties, then size. Okay, guys, this is the size. Okay, 400. Okay, so this is 400 and we have to change it to 200. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, it's not working. Why? Okay guys, to do that you have to check this specify size. Okay, then you can now effect the changes. Okay, so and do you notice something? This weight is 20 and the height is 15. So because I check keep aspect ratio, so you have to maintain the aspect ratio. That's the instruction given. Okay, so they are 200 now, so correspond to 150. Okay, so so just go ahead, is pixels and click OK, and that is the effect. It becomes smaller. So do the same here and right click, sorry, click on it first, then right click, go to picture property, specify size, then change this 400 to 200, and is in pixel. Make sure keep aspect ratio is checked, then okay, and it's also becomes smaller. Do the same for the turtle, right click and picture properties, and this change to okay, specify size, then this is 200. Okay, make sure keep aspect ratio is checked, the box, okay, and okay. Okay, that's a cool one, guys. This is a cool one. This is a cool web page, I believe. So everything is working now. Okay, guys, let's just go ahead with the question. We need to be fast now because of our time, guys. Okay, question 30. Make the image p3 logo.jpg a hyperlink to send an email to super scuba at cre.org.uk. Okay, .org.uk, guys. Do you notice something? This is .uk, guys, not not .us. This is UK now, guys. So let's just do that. Okay, guys. Okay, American English and UK English, guys. Now that's cool. Different packages. Okay, now we have to. What am I playing, guys? Okay, we have to make the P3 logo a hyperlink, a hyperlink, a hyperlink. Cards. English is a bitter lemon, guys. I kill it about it. This is not English class. This is ICT. Okay, so a hyperlink. So I want to make this logo a hyperlink. So just click on the logo and right click and go to hyperlink, and that's that. So what is the mail address? Let me just confirm that again. Okay, super scuba at IC. Okay, so mail to, okay, so super dash scuba at CIE, that is Cambridge International Examination, okay, .org.uk, and the subject is what? The subject is holiday inquiry. Okay, holiday inquiry. Okay, and that's that. Just click OK. And what do you observe? And then we now have like a square, or this is a rectangular box. Yeah, a rectangular box around the logo. So meaning that this is already a hyperlink. Okay, so let's go back to the question. Okay, I think that's everything. We have to save the web page now. Save the web page and display the web page in your browser. If necessary, resize your browser window so that it fills the entire screen. Take a screenshot of the entire screen and place this in your evidence document. So guys, let me just go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have this. Let me just go ahead and save this web page now. File, then save as. I'm going to save this. Let me just save it. Let me use my name, Aluko Shayo Enoch. Okay, it's HTML file by default, so I don't need to put dot, just save. Okay, and so let's go ahead and launch that. Okay, so this is now. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch. Okay, so that we can take screenshots. Okay, I'm going to open with Chrome. Good. So and this is the web page now. So now I'm no more in we are through with this office front page. This is just a web page now. So this is a complete web page, guys. Everything is super cool. Now I'm going to take screenshots now, but I need to resize so that it will be fit into my screen. So to do that, just press control then minus. Okay, so control minus or plus will help to resize, but I need to capture everything. So just let me do that once again. Control minus sign, like in mathematics, minus addition and subtraction. Okay, I need to resize. Let me just do that once more. Control minus. Guys, I need to click on the web page first. Control minus. Okay, is it working? What's going on? I think it's cool, but I've not captured the entire stuff. Okay, can I do that once more? I think everything is cool like this. Okay, so you can see I've been able to capture everything now. So I'm going to take a screenshot now. So this is the logo, and you can see, click here to return to the top of the page, the hyperlink. Okay, web page last edited by Lukosha Enoch. Okay, the ng001 setter number, code 101, that's candidate number. So I'm going to take screenshots now, and then copy. Okay, so this complete web page, then copy, guys. Okay, then go to my evidence document. So the second evidence is the complete web page. So just Control V, paste there. Okay, so that is that's just that. Okay, so take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your document, guys. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Do have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, take good care of yourself. Do have a great day ahead. Bye bye.